Good morning. Today we'll be doing direct and inverse variation. We have already done problems based on direct variation in exercise 9a. Now in exercise 9b we'll be discussing problems based on inverse variation. So let's recap. Direct relationship. Suppose if one pen costs rupees 5, then the cost of 10 pens will be what? This 5 into number of pens, that means 50, and this will be 5 rupees only. See, if the number of pen has increased, then the total amount has also increased, right? एक पेन था तो ₹5. Now you have 10 pens, then it has become from 5 it has become now 50. Means if we increase something and because of that the other thing also increases, in that case the relationship is known to be direct, or they have a direct relationship. Correct? And in contrast to this, if you have something where if something is increasing and the other thing is decreasing, this kind of relationship will be known as inverse relationship. For example, if you increase the speed, then it is obvious that the time taken by you to cover the same distance will reduce. If your speed of the vehicle was 40 km per hour, then if you would have covered a particular distance in 5 minutes, in that case, if you increase this, if you make this 50, then obviously the time taken, suppose if this is 5 minutes, this time taken would have become 4.5 minutes or maybe less than that. If you increase this, then obviously the other thing will decrease. अगर स्पीड बढ़ा दोगे व्हीकल के तो जितने देर में पहुंचते हो कहीं वो टाइम घट जाएगा. This is very popular if I say, if I speak about students. If you have to reach school on time, then you start cycling. If you go cycling, then you start cycling fast. If you go on a motorcycle, then you increase the speed by accelerating it, right? Or if you have anything like this, if you have 100 sums in a book, okay, in a particular chapter, if I say, that will be better. So if you have 100 sums in a particular chapter and if you are doing 10 sums each day, you will complete that chapter in 10 days. If you double this, if you make this 20 or if you increase this to 30 sums, then obviously the number of days that you will take to complete this chapter will be less. Similarly, if there are 50 people consuming a certain amount of food, 50 लोग हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ फूड को वो 50 डेज़ में अगर वो सपोज कर लो 10 डेज़ में कंज्यूम करते हैं. 50 पीपल इफ़ दे कंज्यूम समथिंग इन 10 डेज़, इफ़ आई इंक्रीज दिस, इफ़ आई मेक दिस 60, ऑब्वियसली ये नंबर ऑफ डेज़ जो है मे बी इट विल बिकम 9 और मे बी लेस देन दैट, राइट. अगर ज़्यादा लोग एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ फूड को खा रहे तो ऑब्वियसली वो कम टाइम में ओवर हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली अगर कम लोग खा रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली द टाइम duration or the number of days will become more. So for the case of inverse variation, you will be having such questions like if the number of men is this, working on a certain work, and then what happens. कहीं पे भी जहाँ एक चीज़ अगर बढ़ रहा है, you have to apply your common sense, and the other thing is decreasing because of that, then such a relationship will be inverse relationship. Most popular questions are like from speed, then number of men doing a certain amount of work, then consumption of something, like for example if 10 cows are consuming a certain amount of food, anything, maybe grass, leaves, anything. अगर वो number of cattles को बढ़ा दो, then obviously वो जो भी amount रहेगा fixed food का, वो तो less number of days में over हो जाएगा. So I hope so now it's clear.